Happy Monday, everyone. Here to bring you a market of the moment update. But first, to say that our prayers are endlessly with Los Angeles. I think a lot of you know that our oldest child lives out there. And we've been watching it just nonstop. And we will be partnering soon with the Maplewood Mercantile to have a fundraising effort here in northern New Jersey. To get funds out to LA to meet immediate needs. So stay tuned for that, because I know a lot of you are like us and you want to do something here in New Jersey. And so we want to help bring us all together and do that as a community. So stay tuned for that. In terms of our real estate market and the economy, let me just let you know that the incoming administration has some new policies that may be contributing to inflation. Because of that, it appears that rates will not be going down. They will probably stay exactly where they are, if not go up. And you did see them go up a little bit over the last couple of weeks. That's also in part because the monthly jobs data that was released on Friday showed extremely positive results. That's good. And it could keep inflation high as well. Then another contributor, the bond rates, and they hit their highest level since November of 2023. So while interest rates might seem discouraging, I want you to know that the real estate market remains really robust, really active, and buyers are still buying houses, right? Life is showing up. People need housing. They need homes. For all sorts of reasons for northern New Jersey in all these gorgeous towns right outside of New York City. So do not worry that the interest rates are going to slow down buyer demand. We are not seeing that at all. Now, the sales and inventory trends that indicate the market has a strong seller's environment are things like this. The fact that the absorption rate in 2019, go back in time with us, was at about 5 months, meaning that at the rate homes were selling, it would take 5 months for all of them to get absorbed or sold, right? By the end of the pandemic, that had dropped to 2.74, right? So just shy of 3 months. By the end of 2023, it was at 1.46, so a month and a half. And if you've been following along here, you know that it has dropped down to like a month. And as of December, for Maplewood, New Jersey, as an example, the absorption rate was at 3 weeks. So can you imagine 2019 over 5 months to last month, 3 weeks? Mind blowing. Another interesting thing to let you know, recently in Milburn Short Hills, inventory, really, really low, right? Back in 2019, there were 69 homes for sale, and right now there are 16. So that shows you the inventory there. But isn't this crazy? In 2019, the average home sale price in Short Hills was $1.49 million, and today it is $2.47. From $1.49 million, so 1.5, let's call it, to almost 2.5 in 6 years. When is it a good time to buy a house? Yes. And interestingly enough, we're seeing a lot of people come out and wanting to invest in real estate. They want to buy additional properties because they see the long-term investment. So what do we think is happening right now as we launch the early spring market? Well, last weekend we had a lot of good open houses. And we're just getting started, but those early open houses are showing robust activity. One of our colleagues had a home open in New Providence, and they had 35 groups of people through on Saturday alone. Kevin Kern from Pollock Properties Group had his listing up in Caldwell open. He had 16 groups through open houses this weekend. So we are kicking things off. The cold is not keeping the buyers away, neither are the interest rates. So with all that in mind, if you or anyone you know is thinking, should I buy a house? Yes. These price increases over time, it's just a great, great investment. And look at your other investments. Are they performing at least 4% a year or better? Are they giving you a roof over your head or positive cash flow? It's just something to look at. So if you're thinking about selling your home, now is the time to be talking about how to strategically time your listing. From now and through May really is our peak selling time. And if I had my vote, I'd put all 100 listings on the market in March. We know that's not realistic and that doesn't work for people's families and lives. There's kids graduating from high school, going off to college, we need transition times. And so right now we need to have a conversation on how to strategically time your home to get you top dollar out of 2025. And in the meantime, let us help you design and project manage so that it is ready to go when the time comes and you do get top dollar for it. So stay tuned for our partnership with Maplewood Mercantile to fundraise for our beloved community out in Los Angeles. And if you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any of the fine folks over at Pollock Properties Group. We'll see y'all soon. Bye.